Alright, so this is my rice water. So this has been sitting for about 24 hours, not exactly. I'm just gonna shake it up a little bit. Yeah, it does kind of smell. It doesn't smell moldy or anything, but I am gonna add a few drops of lavender. And as well as a few drops of rosemary. And put it back on. A lot better. It smells a lot better. Now I'm a little worried because I don't think this is gonna work. I do it like this first and then pour it. Cause yeah, it'll go right in there. So I'm gonna just, ooh Lord. So I do have my spray bottle. I want to put some of it. I'm gonna put the remainder of it in there. So I want you guys to be able to see it without me getting in the shower. Alright, so we got our spray bottle and we got our mason jar. Let's put this in our hair. Funny story, I shampooed and conditioned my hair yesterday and forgot that I needed to go ahead and start the process of fermenting the rice. So it's the next day and I'm just gonna put it in my hair now. So let's take these twists out. Now I'm gonna do it section by section because I'm not in the shower. We're gonna do this number right here. And while I'm right here, we're gonna see how long my hair is right now. So I'm gonna take a piece from the back. And my hair is like right at my bone right here. Yes. So right there at the bone. If I try to pull it any longer, it's not gonna go. And this front piece is almost at the tip of my nose. Okay, so we got our trusty rice water in a spray bottle, and we're just gonna go this stuff. This is how much rice water I have left. My hair obviously isn't long like others, but I guess I can just put them in the refrigerator and save them for next week when I come back. But I'm gonna just spray just to make sure I'm saturating everything. Make sure there's no dry areas in my hair. Okay, cool. So since I am going to be letting this sit for at least 30 minutes or maybe an hour, just depending, I am going to use my homemade deep conditioner. I will list the product down below in the description box. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out each section by section and apply this as well. Alright, so I have my hair twisted. I'm gonna put my bonnet on and I'll be back. Alright, so I've let my hair sit with this rice water and my homemade deep conditioner for a little over 30 minutes. Maybe I should have did an hour. But while you're rinsing this out, I'm making sure that I massage my scalp, because when you massage your scalp, you're bringing more circulation. When you get circulation, it promotes hair growth, and that's what we're doing here. If we didn't want hair growth, then what are we doing? You also want to make sure you do this in sections, because if you do it in sections, it also makes sure your hair is evenly saturated. Even with shampooing and conditioning, you want to make sure your hair is even throughout your whole head. So this part may be a little extra, you don't have to do this, but I'm re-spraying the rice water throughout my hair and re-rinsing it out. But look at my hair, it just feels looser. Yes, it feels thick but loose. Let that jiggle. Alright, so this is my homemade hair moisturizer. Y'all need to get with this DIY. It may not look so good, but it's very good for my hair. You'll see the products that I use down below in the description. But I'm just saturating my hair with that. But I'm just, making sure my hair is saturated with this moisturizer. I'm gonna detangle and prep it to be flat twisted. Alright, let me do some YouTube magic and bam! I am finished with my flat twist all around. I'm about to go get some sleep. And let's see what the finishing look be like. It's the next day and I just wanted to untwist it for you guys. I'm actually not going to wear my hair like this today. For this whole week, I'm just going to keep my hair flat twisted and wear a wig to protect my hair, so I won't be in my hair, because I'm sure I'm going to be loving it after this rice water treatment. But this is just how my hair looks the next day. I still need to trim some ends that I missed, but that's okay. We'll work with it. And that is that. I'll see you guys in the next video. I cannot wait to see the results. Make sure you stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like and a comment below, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Mwah.